ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अस्माकम् अद्यतनविषयः अस्ति विंशतितम अभ्यासः पृष्ठक्रमाङ्कः 4 पृष्ठक्रमाङ्कः पेज् 40 अभ्यास 20. With this abhyasa we will finish. There will be kind of a benchmark. Pratamaha lingani अर्थात आत्मनेपदीय परस्मैपदीय आत्मनेपदीय लट लोट लंग लिट विधिलिंग पंचाः समाप्तं वयं करिष्यामः अभ्यास 20 इति। Till अभ्यास 20 these things will finish. Then something new will begin from next week. प्रथमः एकनिमेषः अभ्यास 20 केतुल जी कृपया पठतु। प्रथमः किं क शब्दानि?
त्रिवर्गः धर्म अर्थ काम तीनों। त्र्यंबकः शिव, त्रिपुरारिः शिव, त्रिपथगा गंगा, त्रिवेणी गंगा यमुना का संगम स्थान, त्रिभुवनम तीनों लोक, दार स्त्री, अक्षत अक्षत चावल, लाज हिल, असु प्राण प्राण प्राण, वर्षा वर्षा, सीकता रेत, समा वर्ष, अप जल, अप्सरस अप्सरा, सुमनस फूल, त्रिवारं 3 बार।
बहु धन्यवाद। बहु सुंदर अस्ति। त्रिवर्ग धर्मार्थ काम, त्र्यंबक शिव because 3 eyes, त्र्यंबक, Tripurarihi because he destroyed the 3 asura cities, Tripura, right? Tripura, all 3 cities he nashta. This comes in I think Taitriya Samhita, right? Somewhere this story comes. I think it is Taitriya Samhita. Tripurari Shiva Shankara. Then Tripadaga Ganga because she flows through all 3 worlds. That story about Jannu Rishi and Bhagirath, and he brought Ganga down from heaven to earth and then also to hell. So all 3, Swarga, Bhuloka, Naraka, all 3 Ganga ji flows. Triveni, Ganga, Yamuna ka Sangam sthan, Triveni Sangam. Tribhuvanam, Tino lok, Swarga, Bhu, Naraka. Daras 3, women. Akshata, Akshat Chaval, unbroken rice. Large keel. This is like broken rice, you can say. Is there a better word for large? Puffed rice, maybe. Large keel. Keel is puffed rice, right? If I'm wrong, anybody can correct. I think it is puffed rice. Like that. In South Indian languages, we say aval. In Dravidian language, I don't know what it is. Anyway.
Is it Purmura?
Aval is poha, but keel, I'm not sure. Puffed rice is what in Hindi? I don't know what. Kurmura?
Yeah. Purmura or Ragi.
That is keel. Prana can be called asu or prana. Both are prana. In Brihadaranyaka, for example, they'll say asavaha, asuhu, asuhu, asavaha in Bahuvachanam. So asavaha, there is one mantra, right, with asavaha. I've forgotten. If anyone remembers, please tell me. In Brihadaranyaka, I think asavaha shabda comes for Bahuvachanam. Then Varsha, Varsha rain, Sikta red sand, Sama Varsha year, Up jal, water, Apsaras, Apsara, divine celestial woman, Sumanas, pool. Sumanas can also be like Shuddha Manasa, like pure mind or good quality mind, and virtuous mind. Trivaram, तीन बार. So द्विवारम विसा, एकवारम विसा, वैसे त्रिवारम इति अर्थ. अस्तु, ग शब्दानि संध्या जी कृपया पठतु. ग और घ उभयोः.
त्रिधा तीन प्रकार से, घ त्रि तीन, सति इतने, त्रयम तीन, त्रयी तीन, तीन वेद, युजा
ऋग यजुः साम. ऋग्वेद यजुर्वेद सामवेद. हाँ, अग्रे.
ओके. त्रिगुणः, त्रिगुणः, त्रिवेदः, तीन प्रकार का.
धन्यवादः. त्रिधा, त्रिधा, द्विधा, एकधा, तीन प्रकार से. इन अर्लियर अभ्यास हाँ, त्रिविधः तीन प्रकार का, द्विधा द्वे दो प्रकार से, द्विविधः दो प्रकार का इति भिन्न अस्ति, भेदमस्ति. घ विशेषण शब्दानि त्रि तीन, तीन, कति कितने. सो हाउ मच इज कति in Sanskritam? There was a question, I think, in one of the Apurva Abhyasas. Kati is how much is what? Kati is how much. Trayam, teen. Trayi, teen atha teen rig sama yaju, rig yaju sama. Like in different Purana and stotras, this Trayi Shabda will come, like in Trayi, Vedyam, Vridyam, in Shivananda Lahari. And in different Prakarana Grantha Stotra, Trayi Shabda comes for three Ved, teen Ved, Rig, Yaju, Sam. Triguna, Tigna, Triple. And Trividaha, teen Prakar, Ka. Astu. Vyakarana, three Bahuvachananta Shabda, Vidiling, Chartva Sandhi. आज के अद्यतन संधि अस्ति चर्त्व संधि. परंतु प्रथमः वयं पश्यामः प्रथम तीन शब्द के तीनों लिंग के रूप स्मरण करा. देखो शब्द संख्या 41 एकचत्वारिंशत्. कस्मिन् पृष्ठ क्रमांक अस्ति?
136.
136. अस्तु, सुंदर जी भवानेव कृपया पठतु त्रि शब्द.
Just because I set the page now. Traya, Trini, Tisraha. Trini, Tisraha. Tribihi, Tisribihi. Tribhyaha, Tisribhyaha. Tribhyaha, Tisribhyaha. Trayanam, Tisrinam. Trishu, Tisrushu.
धन्यवादः. इति हाँ तिसृषु एकवचन द्विवचन बहुवचन नास्ति, न सन्ति. पुल्लिङ्गे स्त्री, नपुंसकलिङ्गे स्त्रीलिङ्ग. पुल्लिङ्गे त्रयः त्रीन् त्रिभिः त्रिभ्यः त्रिभ्यः त्रयाणां त्रिषु. वैसे नपुंसकलिङ्गे लेकिन लिङ्गि अपि च स्त्रीलिङ्गि सर्वे अस्ति. त्रीणि त्रिभिः त्रिभ्यः त्रिभ्यः त्रयाणां त्रिषु नपुंसकलिङ्गि. स्त्रीलिङ्गि तिस्रः तिस्रभिः तिस्रभ्यः तिसृषु. Now back to 40. Page 40, अभ्यास 20. अस्तु. हाँ, सेव धातु विधिलिंग आत्मनेपद. तो अद्यतन विषय अस्ति विधिलिंग. We've already seen lut, lot, lung, lit. In Atmanepada, we have seen already 4 lingas, lakaras. Today we are seeing Vidhiling lakara. Avantika ji कृपया पठतु. अस्ति वा वल्लिकाजी? Maybe some connection. आभाजी कृपया पठतु सेव् धातु विधिः.
जी. So the dhatu is lab. Am I reading what is given already, or am I converting the new ones?
No, what is given already? Prathama.
Okay. Seveta, seveyatam, severan. Sevethaha, seveyatham, sevedhvam. Seveya, sevevahi, sevemahi.
बहु सुन्दरः अस्ति. भवती एव वदतु लब् धातु किं भवति?
लब्. लभेत, लभेतायां,
लभेयातां, लभेयातां.
Okay,
sorry,
so on the
there
right
is a mistake
side,
here, right?
Yeah, I was looking at the right side. G. So labheyatam, and
just
labheran, labhethaha, labheyatham, labhethvam, labheya, labhevahi, labhemahi.
It is yatam. Okay, so the Sankshipta Rupa, there is a mistake. It is yatam. So for example, han dhatu will be hanyatam, or dukh dhatu will be dukhyatam, or here they are given spar dhatu, spardayatam, like that. Not etayam, yatam. This is a mistake. This is a mistake. After page number which page number is this? The Atmanepadiya Dhatavaha will begin later on in the book. They are given rupas for all the dhatus in Atmanepadiya. There you can see in all the, this is like, okay, Lab Dhatu for example is given on page 155. Lab Dhatu. This is Lab Dhatu, you see here. Lab Dhatu, Vidhiling is Labhe Yatam, not Labhetaya. So that Sankshipta Rupa, there is a mistake. All the other things are also like this, Yatam, Yatam.
I had a question.
Yes, Vadatu.
So the question is, it was in Labhet, right? Vidhiling. And in Purvamimamsa, we used to read Yajeta Swarga Kamaha.
Correct.
And is it because, I mean, it suddenly struck me that Yajna Karma is because of some Kamana that comes to me, and that might lead to it being an Atmanepadi and it being Yajeta?
Correct, exactly. It is also Atmanepadiya because that person who is doing the yajna will go to Swarga, they believe. Yes, Swarga Kamo Yajeta. Darshapurna Masayam, Swarga Kamo Yajeta. If you want to go to Swarga, you want to go, you do yajna. So it is Atmanepadiya. Exactly. See, like these kinds of linkages are so beautiful, and we see. Everything makes sense in our language when we see this. Correct. Vidhiling lakara Atmanepada Yajeta. Exactly. Sumanjay ji, Bhavane to कृपया Yajeta Shabda. How will it go then? Yaj Shabda.
Yajeta, Yajeyatam, Yajeran, Yajethaha, Yajeyatham, Yajetham, Yajeya, Yajevahi, Yajemahi.
सम्यक् समीचीनमस्ति. केतुजी कृपया वदतु स्पर्ध धातु.
स्पर्धेत, स्पर्धेयातं, स्पर्धेरन्, स्पर्धेथा, स्पर्धेयातं, स्पर्धेध्वं, स्पर्धेय, स्पर्धेवहि, स्पर्धेमहि. बहु सम्यक् अस्ति. सुन्दरजी कृपया वदतु दीक्ष् धातु.
दीक्षेत, दीक्षेयातां, दीक्षेतन्, दीक्षेत्साह, दीक्षेयातां, दीक्षेत्वं, दीक्षेय, दीक्षेवहि, दीक्षेमहि.
सम्यक् अस्ति, समीचीनं. सन्ध्याजी कृपया वदतु क्षम धातु, क्षमेत क्षमेयाताम् इति वदतु.
Sham. Is it in that line? We don't have, huh?
We don't have it.
Sham.
They have given only 3, so I am
Okay.
giving a new dhatu.
Okay.
Sham dhatu.
Shame, shameyatam, shameran, shametha, shameyatham, shamedham, shameya, shamevahi, shamemahi.
Samyak. Kshameta, akshame. Kshameta and kshametaha is prathama purusha ekajana and madhyama purusha ekajana. Samyak asti. Astu. Avantika ji asti va?
Yes.
हाँ. भवान भवती वदतु कृपया कस्मिन् धातु, भास धातु कृपया वदतु. भास धातु.
Bhashet.
भासेत. भास. भास अथवा
भाषे.
हाँ, भास इज लाइक चमकना, चमकने के अर्थ में ये धातु पूर्व दिस वन भास.
Bhaset.
हाँ, भासेत.
Bhaset. Bhase. Tayam.
भासेयाताम.
Bhaseran.
भासेत, भासेतायां, भासेयातां, भासेरन.
भासेरन.
हाँ.
Bhasethaha.
हाँ.
Bhase. Tham.
याथाम.
Bhasedhvam.
हाँ.
Bhaseya. Bhasevahi. Bhasemuhi.
धन्यवादः. भासेत, भासयातां, भासेरन. भासेथाः, भासयाथां, भासेध्वं, भासेय, भासेवहि, भासेमहि. हाँ, कोऽपि प्रश्नः अस्ति वा?
One prashna is with the, I mean, this suddenly came because you said bhasa dhatu.
हाँ.
We also have bhasha. Now,
हाँ.
when we have bhasha in Dvitiya Adhyaya, Bhagavan says pratyavadamscha bhashase. That is bhashase, you are speaking. And then there is vadasi. But then vadasi and bhashase both are in the sense of speaking. One is parasmaipadi, one is atmanipadi. But speaking, I do not understand. How do we just decide this atmani and parasmaipadi?
Some dhatus are generally used in each pada, right? This the artha of the dhatu will follow that rule. So vadi dhatu generally is to tell somebody else, and bhash dhatu is to say, like somebody is saying, bhashan karte hain. So it is like you are saying that. So they are used in atmanepada. Or you can check in Ashtadhyayi app, they may have some clue as to this. So vad dhatu, vad vaktayam, right? They have said kartari lanklakara parasmay pada. There, atmane pada is also there. Vadase, both are there. But we use this more often, vadasi, because vad dhatu is more used in terms of telling somebody else. But bhash dhatu is to give bhashana. So this, I think this way, SHH. Huh? So when you type in this website, you have to seek SH is Dantya Shakara. SHH is Murdhanya Shakara. So they have their own sequence. Bhash dhatu is, they have given Atmanepadi here already. There is no Parasmaipada in Bhash dhatu because generally it is when you are doing bhashana. So you are doing bhashana. Prajnavadamsha bhashase. The first 11th, right? Gatasu na gatamsumsha. That shloka you are saying. Ashocyananvachochastvam prajnavadamsha bhashase. Gatasu na gatasumsha nanushocanti panditaha. Right? That shloka you are referring to. I guess. If it is something else, you can correct me. But I think it is that shloka. Right. So in that shloka, bhashase obviously is atmanepadiya because there is no parasmaipada in bhashase. But if you say vadasi, then you have to separate. So vad dhatu is used more in parasmaipada. But I don't know if there is any specific niyama, rule that says vad is always used in parasmaipada. I don't think there is any, but I will check if there is. But I don't think there is. It is just that in parlance we use bhash dhatu because there is no parasmaipadiyya for bhash dhatu, but vad dhatu has both. So you use the other one, parasmaipada.
I've never heard of vadase.
Vadase, it is not often used, right? It is more of a parasmaipadiyya dhatu. Yeah, that's right. Vadvaktaya vachi is more of a parasmaipadaya only. It is there. They have given the Atmanepada, you see, but it is not really used. Vade, maybe aham vade, vayam vadamahe, maybe these rupas may be there. Instead of aham vadami, somebody may say aham vade. That may be. You can see sometime in Bhashya it may come as dhatu in Atmanepada. Astu. But this may be the rule that Bhash dhatu does not have Parasmaipada. So a similar dhatu you use more in Parasmaipada. That's it. That may be practically meaningful. Astu. Niyama Ekona Navabtihi. Ekona Navatihi will be 89 अथवा Navashitihi maybe also is acceptable. Yeah, Navashitihi, Ekona Navatihi. Both are actually page 140. They have given both rupas. हाँ, अस्तु. नियम Ekona Navatihi. केतुलजी कृपया पठतु. हाँ.
दार, अक्षत, लाजा, पशु, प्राण, इनके रूप पुल्लिंग में और बहुवचन में ही चलते हैं. दारः, अक्षतः, लाजः, असवः, प्राणः. अप्सरस, वर्षा, सिकता, समा, सुमनस, इनके रूप स्त्रीलिंग में और बहुवचन में ही चलते हैं. अप्सरस, वर्षा, समा, सुमनस, इनका कहीं कहीं एक वचन में भी प्रयोग मिलता है. तापः, अपः, अप्सरसः, वर्षः, सिकताः, समः, सुमनसः.
दार, अक्षत, लाज, सुप्राण सर्वे पुल्लिंगे सन्ति. पुल्लिंगी बहुवचने सर्वे सन्ति. अपि च अप्सरस, वर्षा, सिक्ता, समा, सुमनस सर्वे स्त्रीलिंगी बहुवचने सन्ति. सम्यक्. दिस इज क्वाइट एन ईजी नियम. Asava Shabda, if anyone can check, maybe it comes in Mundaka, I'm not sure, I think. But maybe it comes in Brihadaranyaka also. So,
Akashji, there is a word like prasava iti pra-asavaha. Would that be asava in it?
Pra and asava will become prasava. Pra upasarga asava will be prasava, right? Not prasava.
That is there.
Yes, please.
It is a mantra from Yajurveda, I think.
Oh, the mantra says prasavaha iti pra asavaha. Yeah, that is possible. Yajurveda will have that much. But in Vyakarana, pra plus asava will become prasava. Akaha savarni dirgha sandhi will come. But the Veda itself may have a mantra. The Veda has even Rudram.
Is that considered as having asavaha in it?
Yes, exactly. Prana. It has all the pranas are there. They are saying, they must be saying in that mantra. But asava comes in an Upanishad especially. Specifically in Brihadaranyaka Upanishad or Mundaka Upanishad or something, asava shabda I think comes somewhere. Maybe in Bhashya we have done, but it is definitely there in what we have done recently. Okay. Niyama navatihi abhaji bhavati eva padhatu kripaya.
Today it's like whosoever says something they get a task. So I'm doing ka.
Ka nasti. Na. Niyama navati. 90th niyama. Ka we have seen. Ka is all in Strilinga. Ka Prathama is all in Pullinga. That's all. 90.
3 से 18 मतलब from 3 to 18 3 से 18 तक के सारे शब्द तथा कति शब्द सदा बहुवचन में ही आते हैं. कति के रूप हैं कति कति कतिभिः कतिभ्यः कतिभ्यः कतीनां कतिषु.
अर्थात 3 से 18 all are nitya bahu, they are all bahuvachana shabda. So 3, 4, 5, everything will be bahuvachana only. Obviously, right? This is quite obvious. 19 say it will be different, but we will come there. When it comes, we will see that. But 3 से 18 सर्वे बहुवचने सन्ति. कति प्रथमा अर्थात प्रथम विभक्ति कति, तो कति शब्दानि सन्ति, हाउ मेनी शब्दास आर देयर, कति शब्दं वयं पश्यामः, हाउ मेनी शब्दास आर वी सीइंग, दिस इज द्वितीया विभक्ति. और कतिभिः शब्देभ्यः, कतिभिः शब्देभ्यः वयं प्रकरणं वदितुम् इच्छामः. So through how many shabdas we want to say the prakaranam, you can say this way. So in prathama, dvitiya, tritiya, chaturthi is katibhyah, panchami katibhyah, shashti katina, saptami katishu. There. This is also quite straightforward. Niyama ekanavatihi. अवंतिका जी कृपया पठतु किमस्ति.
आदराख्ये बहुवचन. आदर प्रकट करने में एक के लिए भी बहुवचन हो जाता है. गुरवः, पूज्यः.
एक निमिष. आदर प्रकट करने में, सो गुरु मे बी वन ओनली, बट यू विल से गुरवः पूज्य बिकॉज आदरः. हाँ, ख अग्रे वदतु, पठतु कृपया. अस्मदो द्वयोश्च. अहम, द्वयोश्च. अहम और आवाम के स्थान पर वयम का प्रयोग होता है. यदि वक्ता विशिष्ट व्यक्ति हो तो अहम और आवाम के स्थान पर वयम का प्रयोग होता है. दिस इज सूत्र नंबर 1259. अस्मदो द्वयोश्च 1.2.59. This is the sutra number. These are like, they are just giving some rules. We may not see them in class, you know. Swamiji may not say, oh, which sutra is this? Why means, but this is the sutra. Asmado dvayosha. Aham or avam will both have vayam if there is some vishishta vyakti. The vakta is a vishishta. Astu. Agre patatu bhavati kripaya.
Is it a bit like
एक निमिषं किम
royalty always speaks in we?
Exactly, yes. Royalty also, and also like in some of these ashrams the Swamijis also will say our parents were like that, they lived in Kolkata, they may say, like that is also vishishta vyakti, because of that they are using that. Correct, royalty usage. अस्तु. अवंतिका जी भवती कृपया पठतु अग्रे.
जाताख्यायाम जातिवाचक शब्दों में एक वचन और बहुवचन दोनों होते हैं. ब्राह्मणः पूज्यः, ब्राह्मणाः पूज्याः.
एक निमिषः. जात्याख्यायाम, this full sutra, this is 1-58. This is the sutra before अस्मद्द्वयोश्च. जात्याख्यायाम एकस्मिन् बहुवचनम् अन्यतरस्याम. This is the full sutra 1-58. What it says is जातिवाचक शब्दों में एक और बहुवचन दोनों होते हैं. एक वचन होते हैं, बहुवचन. अस्तु. घ.
Sorry, does it mean द्विवचन नहीं होता?
हाँ, exactly. They will use एक. No, it may. If there are two brahmanas, they will say brahmana dvayam. They can say, or dvau brahmano they can say. But in specifically brahmanaha pujyaha or brahmanaha pujyaha, when that is the subject, in that sense both will be useful. Both will be used. But you can say brahmana dvayam. Two brahmanas are there. You can say that. अस्तु. घ. देशवाचक शब्दों में.
देशवाचक शब्दों में बहुवचन का प्रयोग होता है. नगर का नाम या देश अंत में होने पर एक वचन होगा. अहम, अंगान, बंगान, कलिंगान, विदर्भान, गौडान वा अगच्छ. अहम पाटलिपुत्रम अंगदेशम वा अगच्छ.
सम्यक् अस्ति. अहम पाटलिपुत्रम अंगदेशम वा अगच्छम्. अहम अंगान, बंगान, कलिंगान, व्हाटएवर अगच्छ. देशवाचक शब्दों में बहुवचन का प्रयोग होता है. नगर का नाम या देश अंत में होने पर एक वचन होगा. तो नगर का नाम एक वचन. सो अहम, अंगान, बंगान, कलिंगान, व्हाटएवर. सो इट इज ऑल इन एक वचन बिकॉज नगर का नाम या देश अंत में होने पर. It is in the end. So they have given an English. हाँ अस्तु खरि च नियम
सूत्र नंबर 4 आदरार्थ बहुवचन.
it is not there. Sometimes they may not give sutra a sutra itself. So adararthe bahuvachanam is not any sutra. They are just describing it. Like in the beginning also there were some of these that didn't have a sutra number. In first and second abhyasa there it was in bracket, but I couldn't find when I searched. No. But I will just recheck. I couldn't find it the first time, but we can check here on the screen. Adararthe bahuvachanam. Is there a sutra? Sutra pataha adararthe. See there is no sutra. Adaranadarayoho is there. Nadarayoho sadasiti. This is different. Adararthe bahuvachanam is not. Okay. Kharicha. Who can read? Sandhyaji kripya patatu. Kharicha.
खरीचा खरीचा चलो 1 2 3 4 उष्म को चर उसी वर्ग का प्रथम अक्षर होता है. बाद के खर 1 2 श श त हो तो तत् प्लस कारः तत्कारः उत् प्लस पन्नः उत्पन्नः.
अस्तु धन्यवादः. तो ऑलरेडी वी हैव सीन इन अभ्यास 19 पूर्वाभ्यासे वयं पश्यामः झलां जष्टि. झलां जष्टि वाज सेइंग झलो बाद में अगर झष हो तो झलो विल बिकम जश. बिफोर दैट झलां जशोन्ते सेड जल झलो बाद में झल हो तो जश हो जाता है. So there is this, for this jal itself, this jal shabda which is 1 2 3 4 ushma. Ushma is sha sha sa ha. All these four. When they come, then बाद में if there is jash, बाद में जल है तो जश होगा. जलाम जशवंते. Second, बाद में झश हो तो जश होगा. जलाम जश जशी. Now third, जल बाद में अगर खर हो तो चर होगा. So what is this khar, char, etc. We can see in Maheshwara Sutrani, but they have given khar is prathama, dvitiya, shasha, sa. Char is usi varga ka prathama akshar. So ka, ta, ta, all this is char. They may have given in this Maheshwara Sutrani, what is this? Khar. So first you have to check for kha. This is all kha. Kha to ra. You see this 11th sutra. 11 to 13 sutra is, should I add one? 11 to 13 sutra. So 11th sutra, kha is beginning. So ka, pa, cha, ta, tha, cha, ta, ta. Then ka, pa, sha, sha, sa. Everything is khar. Then char. You have to decide for where is char. So char is char. There we go. Char. So cha is coming in the 4th sutra. So char will be all this. However, no. Cha ta ta, correct, sorry, yes, cha ta ta. So cha ta ta ka and pa. So it is simple. And sha sha sa. This is all char. So khar and char. When we read Maheshwara Sutrani, it becomes quite easy if we know how to read. Astu. So झालों को चर हो जाता है बाद में खर हो तो. Example there again, sad plus karaha, satkara. So the sta, takara is the first akshara in the stavarga. So that ka shabda has become ta. The has become ta. This the here has become ta. Because prathama akshara asti. Ka api prathama akshara asti. Ta api prathama akshara asti. Ka and ta. Same for udpannaha. It is actually ud plus pannaha. But the pa is the prathama akshara. So this the will become it. Udpanna. Any questions in this? Is this clear, or we can see more examples, of course?
So if that had been pannaha instead of pannaha, it would have been tha, that other tha would come to it, second tha.
Pa. If you're saying, but no, baad mein khar ho to, so pa also will be here, right? Pa is the second akshara. You're saying if it is pannaha.
If pa is instead of pa, pannaha, if we had fannaha,
Yeah.
That's the second akshara.
Yeah. In Sanskrit you say pa, not necessarily fa. Pa, like phala. It's not phala, phala.
Okay.
So yes, but you are correct. So if it is pa, it will still be utpanna. Why? Because baad mein kar ho to. Pa is also part of kar. Pa is the dvitiya akshara of the pakara. Pa.
Yeah.
Right? So that is dvitiya. It is also the same. It will be the same. Ut plus pannaha will also be utpannaha. But your question was, if it is something else, so like ba, pa, ba, right? Small ba, if it comes, then as you said, it is something else. It will be udbannaha. Jalam jash jashi will sutra will work. Yes. But baad mein prathama dono, the first two of the, like ta and tha, pa and fa or pa and pa is like ta and tha. So if there is like, or sat karaha, you can use this example, right? Sat karaha instead of ka, they have given ka, dirgha. So if it is sad karaha, it will still be sat karaha only, because first two are both kharij. The question will come if it is ga, like vag, like that when it comes, then it will be different. Vag karaha may be different. Or sadgati, that is a good example, right? Sadgati. Into sat karaha, if you say sadgati, then the dakara will come. It will not be satgati, it will be sadgati.
Yeah, sadgati. Good example.
Yes. We can see some other examples for kharicha in ashtadhyayi.com. Kharicha example they have given bhakta example. You see bhak plus ta or bhag plus ta will become bhakta. The thing with ashtadhyayi.com examples is they will give 3 different sutras and we are only seeing the 3rd sutra. So we don't know how bhag became bhak, etc. But this is whatever is relevant, we can see this. Bhakta will become bhak plus ta because that takara is in the purva, paschima. The para is takara, the next is ta. Same for this dattha. Dat plus ta will become small ta, datta. Same for this laps. This lapsyamahe shabda that had come in Kathopanishad also, that lapsyamahe vittamadrakshma chetva, that same lapsyati shabda, labh dhatu it is. But because that sa is coming in the end, it becomes lapsyati. It will not be labhyati. It will not be labsyamahe. It is lapsyamahe, even though it is labh dhatu. Like Shraddhava labhate jnanam. That same dhatu, but it will become lapsyati. This they are given. Right? And vrashchaniya, aniyar pratyaya is here. Aniyar pratyaya we had seen in Prarambhika. Vrashcha plus aniyar, vrashchaniya. So vras, actually it is vrashch. That will become vrashch. So stoho shunashtuhu sutra is also given here. Vrashchan, aniyar pratyaya. Anybody remembers? Instead of aniyar pratyaya, which other pratyaya you can use? Aniyar and some other pratyaya have the same meaning. We saw in Prarambhika.
I know, okay. Tavya pratyaya. So this vrashchaniya, you can also say vrashchavya. Like varastume varaniyassa eva, Kathopanishad one mantra will come. Varastume varaniya. Varaniya you can also say vartavya or atmavare drashtavyaha. Shrotavyo mantavyo nidhyastavya in Brihadaranyaka. So that you can say, they have used tavya pratyaya there. But if it was a karmavachya mantra, then you can also say atmavare shravaniya, you can say, instead of shrotavya. So tavya and aniyar are similar. This will come later. No worries if this is confusing. It will come in this book only in the 30 something abhyasa. That also comes. Astu. Yesterday we had not seen, on Tuesday we didn't have time for one thing, that Vakya Banavo on Abhyasa 19. So we can just quickly do that and then meet tomorrow for the next page. Vakya Banavo,
with page 39 एकोनचत्वारिंशत् पंचम वाक्य बनाओ द्वौ द्वे सर्वे अस्तु तो this will be little out of nowhere but we can check something. केतुल जी प्रथम वदतु कृपया द्वौ अपि च यत् हाँ ठीक है
I'll try. माता अवदत् यत् द्वौ पुत्रौ आगच्छतु.
सम्यक् बहु सम्यक् अस्ति. और यू कैन से द्वौ पुत्रौ वदत यत् आवां गच्छावः यू कैन से यस बट व्हाट यू सेड आल्सो इज करेक्ट. माता अवदत् यत् द्वौ पुत्रौ आगच्छावः. सॉरी नॉट आगच्छत यू सेड आगच्छत दे हैव कम. हाँ आगच्छत सम्यक् आगच्छत यस् सम्यक् अस्ति. अस्तु अवन्तिकाजी कृपया वदतु द्वे अपि च अवर्धत. You can see in the earlier example this avardhata sevata shabda asevata sevetam, so avardhata will be like asevata prathama purusha ekvachan.
I didn't get it. Could you repeat that?
What
was the last word?
Yes, so one vakya, yes, this is from 19th abhyasa. You have to make one vakya with dve and avardhata. So this avardhata, amodata, ayachata, ashikshata, they have given all these shabdas. They are all prathama purusha ekavachana, like asevata.
Avardhat means not growing.
No, grew. This is lang lakara na, past tense mein grew.
Past tense, okay. द्वे लतायाः I forgot the word.
It's okay. Kim. But if you say two latas grew, then you'll have to say dvivachana. You have to say avardhetam.
Avardhetam.
But you can't say the avardhetam. You have to say avardhata.
For a garden, what is the word?
Garden. Garden will be Vani. You can say that. Upavana garden. I think garden is like front yard.
Latao. Sorry.
Udyana is garden if you want to use.
द्वे लते उद्यानम् अवर्धिताम्.
किम् अर्थमस्ति? द्वे अर्थे उद्यानम् अवर्धिताम्. टू लतास. अच्छा वो उद्यान में दो ही है वैसे. अच्छा
दो लताएं.
You can say that. There is a better way of saying like Dve balike. You can just say avadat. You can say use these things. द्वे द्वे बालिक
बालिका के लिए हम अवर्धत वर्धन वर्ड कैसे यूज करेंगे?
हाँ नहीं, द्वे बालिके अवेदेताम, that is sorry, avadetam kim, they said, two balikas, they said avadetam yat sa avardheta. These are the easy ways, shortcuts, because avardheta has to be in ekavachana, dve is dvivachana. You can't use in the same sentence. Dve balike avadetam yat ya abhashetam yat sa avardhata. Two balikas said she grew. दो बालिका, आवाज बहुत आ रहा है बाहर से. Can you hear? Okay. I'll just close the window maybe. It's too much, na? You can hear me or is this horrible?
I can hear you.
Okay. If it is really bad, we can close the windows. Dve balike.
Said and then said avardhata shabdam samichintam. Avardhata.
Yes, you can say.
It's a nice good, it's a good word.
But that also will be two, right? Avardhetam. But do shishya is the karta here. But Sundarji, what you said is also correct. Dve balike avadetam yat avardhata shabdam samichinam asti. That is smart. You can say. Or sa avardhata. This is correct. Sa avardhata. She grew. Like that. Astu.
What was the issue with Latai? I didn't quite catch it. So we said Dve Vraksha Avardhitam. What's
Dve Varsha Avardhitam is correct, but here you have to use the word Avardhata. If you use Dve, you can say Avardhitam, that is correct. But the exercise is to use Avardhata, which is for Ekavachana, Prathama Purusha Ekavachana, right? So if you say Dve, it has to be Dvivachana. But you have to use Ekavachana, Avardhata. You can say Sa Avardhata or Ekalata Avardhata. But when you say Dve Late, then you cannot use Avardhata anymore. You have to use the Dvivachana prayer. Is that okay? Or still any questions?
Yes. Two people are doing an action on one thing. Reporting an action about one thing.
Yes.
That's what is happening.
Yes. So if two people, no, not about one thing. If two people are doing something like Dve Late, each lata is growing, right? You want to say. So there are two latas growing. So you'll have to, that growing shabda will need dvivachana. Because there are two latas.
Yes.
But two latas are in, even if you say are growing in one tree, you will have to still say two latas, so two growing. So we are saying two girls said she grew. Dve balike avadetam kim abhashitam kim sa avardhata. They said yat sa avardhata. They said that she grew. Some other person grew. Third person we are saying that. Astu abhaji bhavati eva. Dvayam and amodata. Kim bhavati?
Dvayam and amodata. Again the same thing.
But you have to be smart. Dvayam you have to use in some ekavachana prayoga. Because amodata is ekavachana. So dvayam has to be in ekavachana. You can of course use dvayam pustakam something you can say. They said that he amodata, saha amodata you can say. But there is an easier way.
Dvayam balakaha. So that becomes one group.
That will become, you will have to say balaka dvayam. Two or brahmana dvayam. Two brahmanas, two balakas.
Balaka dvayam amodata.
Samyak. Balaka dvayam amodata. Because balaka dvayam will become ekavachana.
One group So it becomes one entity.
Yes.
You convert that into two. Okay.
Exactly. So you're just playing around with the words. Instead of saying two, if you say dvayam, dve, then you cannot use amodata. So we are making dvayam into an ekavachana to be able to use with amodata.
So balakadvayam.
बालकद्वयम्
Amodata.
अमोदत् सम्यक् समीचीनमस्ति अस्तु सुन्दरजी कृपया वदतु पितरौ अपि च आलम्बत
पितरौ पुत्रम् आलम्बत.
हा सम्यक् अस्ति तत्र बट् पितरौ इस् द्विवचन यु विल् हाव् टु यूस्
माता पिता.
हा माता पितरौ
Mata
सो
Pita, but
हाँ.
they depend on their son.
Correct.
So the son is only so.
बट् इफ् यु यूस् पितरौ यु हाव् टु यूस् द्विवचन बिकास् दे आर् आगच्छतः
So they are both coming.
हा
But here we are saying both of them are depending on that one son.
हा
So Pitarau, Putram,
if pitarau comes they are the karta right so you will have to say in dvivachana only.
they both are depending.
Yes, even then it will be dvivachana. If you say putra is depending on mata pita, you can say that way.
That we can do.
Putraha,
Putraha, Pitarau, Alambata.
but dvitiya vibhakti dvivachana of pitri shabda is what? Is it pitarau? That will be the question now, right? Pitri shabda, pitri pitarau, pitaraha. Then pitran pitarau, is it again pitarau? That will be the question. If it is pitarau, then this is acceptable.
Then it would be,
Yes, pitri shabda pitarau dvitiya vibhakti dvivachana. Page number 124. Pitri shabda is here. Dvitiya dvivachana is also pitarau. So what you said is correct.
that should work.
Putraha pitarau ahalambata. Yes. Astu.
That is the state of the world today. Nowadays,
Eh.
parents are not depending on children.
Yes.
Only children depending on parents.
Yes, indeed. Kopi prashna asti va? What is the question?
Pitarau, it is coming from Pitri, right?
Pitra.
So that is Napumsakalinga or Pumlinga? Because we say this in the this thing Raghuvansham Jagatav Pitarau Vande. So Pitarau there is Parvati Parameshwarau. I was thinking that it is a combination of male and female, so it could be not having a what could be the thing? I mean, I was just thinking.
This is a nice chintanam. I'm not sure. We'll have to check. What does the Abhyasa say? The Abhyasa says, 19th Abhyasa, when they say Pitarau, they just say Mata Pita. And they have given Dampati say everything will be Nitya Dvivachananta. But they have not given whether it is Pullinga or Napumsakalinga. In this context, you'll have to take Pullinga, I think, because when we say Brahmana Dvayam or Chhatra Dvayam can be male or female, because Chhatra is a unisex word. Of course, it will be Chhatra. This is a good Chintanam. I'm not sure. But I think we'll have to take it as Pullinga because they have not mentioned specifically that it is Napumsakalinga. It is coming with other Pullinga Shabdas. So you have to take it as Pullinga. This is my interpretation. But if you have a better source, please let me know. I am saying that it is because Dampati, Ashvinau, Dvivaram, everything is Pullinga Shabda here. Pitarau is coming in that context. So Pitarau will also have to be Pullinga. So Pitri Pitarau, Pitaraha. Pitarau Shabda is, you will have to take as Pullinga. Maybe we can check this, in Shabda Patha, you can check for Pitri Shabda. There is only Akaranta Napumsakalinga Pitriya. This is different. If you check for...
See, it's only in Pitarau that they will say mother, father. Right? In Pita, it will only be father. And if you take Pitaha, it will be many fathers. So it's only when it comes to Pitarau that you have this grey zone where you say it's not two fathers but father, mother.
Yes, but you see in the Pitri Shabdas, when we see in Shabda Pata, there is no specific Pitri Shabda for anything other than Pullinga. The only thing they have given is Rikaranta Pullinga. They are not giving a separate Pitri Shabda that will denote Mata Pita for Napumsakalanga. So you have to take as Pullinga because it is not mentioned explicitly.
Try a family, is a family Parivara, so it can have multiple genders in it, right?
That's true. You can check Parivaram. Parivara Shabda is not given. Parivare, we do say that. Parivare Sarve Janaha Santi, you say. Okay, I will check this. I will check this and come back tomorrow. Then Sumanjaji Bhavane Vaitu Punah. You had a nice question. Now, Kim Bhavati Ubhau Abhicha Ashikshata.
विद्यार्थिनौ अशिक्षेताम्. Just added that term.
Yeah, that is okay, but you have to use ashikshata. You have to use ashikshata. Ashikshata.
I could not hear. Sorry.
Ashikshata shabda specifically has to be used. Ashikshetam is correct, but you must find a way.
Okay. Ashikshata. गुरुः उभौ छात्रौ अशिक्षत.
Samyak. This is wonderful. This way we can easily say, instead of saying this ubhau vidyarthinau avadetam yat whatever abhashetam yat, instead of saying they said he studied, they said she grew, this is a good way. This is wonderful. Guruhu ubhau vidyarthinau ashikshata. You can say. Or Dvivachana, Dvitiya Vibhakti, if it is different, then if Dvitiya Vibhakti does not allow this rupa, if Dvitiya Vibhakti will be different and Ubhau will not fit in, or some other Shabda will not fit in, then you use the easy way of saying these two people said he grew, these two people said she grew, she studied, whatever. That way is okay.
For Ubhau, what is the Mula Shabda? It is
Ubha,
right?
Ubha.
So we say Ubha, and it will, how will it work? It will be Ubhau is Ubha. I don't.
No, but Ubha Shabda is a Nitya Dvivachana. It is a Nitya Dvivachananta Shabda. Ubhayam Shabda will be Sarvanama. Ubhayam you will find in Ekavachana and Bahuvachana. Ubha Shabda will only be Dvivachana. Akaranta Pullinga Nitya Dvivachana. Akaranta Navumsakalinga Nitya Dvivachana. Both are in Ubha. But Ubhayam, Ubhaya Shabda will be in. And Ubha is Akaranta Srilinga Nitya Dvivachana. But Ubhaya Shabda you see is in Sarvanama. So it has all three.
For Adhyapaka, if we had to do two Adhyapakas, then would it be Ubhau Adhyapakau?
Samyak, Samichinam, yes.
Okay. So we can say Ubhau Adhyapakau, Ashikshita Shisham.
Yes, you can say that, but where is the Ashikshata?
Ashikshata Shisham.
No.
So two teachers. Oh, okay.
If you'd say two teachers, then you'll have to use the Dvivachana. Ubhau, whatever, Adhyapaka, Ashikshetam, you'll have to say.
Okay, good.
Any other question? Okay. Has anybody not done Vakya? Sandhya ji, have you done Vakya? Yes. So, you can say, Yat, you use Yat and Akshamata. This will be interesting. Yat, and we have not done this yet, right? Yat and Akshamat.
One. काय बोलू नको?
Huh?
Yet. I'm not finding the meaning of yet.
Yat means is key. इसने बोला की, उसने बोला की, वैसे की.
Okay.
मुझे लगा
Yet
कि
and
हाँ.
Sham.
यत है ना अक्षमता. अक्षमता शब्द is forgive basically.
यत् पित्रा पित्रः
हाँ.
यत् बालकः पित्रां
हाँ.
अक्षतां पृच्छते.
Okay, but there is a easier way, and I am not sure if this is correct. A correct sentence when we use yat and akshamata can be something like saha vadati yat, or aham vadami yat aham akshamata. You can say that. I am saying this yat shabda, you know, this is the easy way of saying this. Yat, I said that, I said ki, they say, right? He said ki,
Okay.
he did that, वैसे. So it will be like saha avadat yat saha akshamata. Saha ma or saha tam akshamata. He said that he forgave her or him, whatever you can use. That shabda in English, that he said that is yat. Ki. Astu. Any other questions before we end? Okay. श्वः वयं पश्यामः पृष्ठक्रमाङ्क 140. You will see 41 page अभ्यास etc. ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः. शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः. ॐ